Conducting human clinical trials in Canada could be of a particular interest for sponsors because the CTA process is less expensive in Canada, as Health Canada do not charge any CTA fees. It's timely saving, as the former 30-day default review is only 30 calendars day. It takes less labor and documentation purposes to prepare the CTA package, which contains only 2 models. Also, the document supply, the preclinical toxicology and CMC information supply within the CTA package, they should comply with Part C, Division 5 of the Food and Drug Regulation. Those regulations also comply with ICH A6 good clinical practices in order to ensure that the safety or well-being of trial subjects are protected, and to ensure also that the integrity of data being generated.